Hey, what's up? Nate McAllister from Evergreen Affiliate Marketing. In this video, I'm going to show you a really cool feature that kind of snuck up on me inside of Canva. So I used to recommend a tool called Place It, and I used that to create mock-ups of things like smartphones and computer screens and a lot of different cool stuff. And it's still pretty cool, but Canva has kind of given them a run for their money. If you already pay for Canva, you can use this right away. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's say that I want to create a blog post about this cell zone software. Let's go ahead and just start with a thumbnail here. So I was already making this. I'll come in here, cell zone review. I love using these on review posts. They give it a really cool touch. So what we need to do first is actually upload our image. And depending on what you want to do, you want to make sure that the image is about the same size. So for this one, I'm going to do a laptop. And I'm going to put the image inside of the laptop screen. If I were going to use, say, an iPhone screenshot, I would want to have it the exact same size as an iPhone. I'll show you that one as well. Let's go ahead and start with this one though. So what we're going to do is we're going to paste the image into Canva here. And then we're going to click on the image, go to Edit Image, scroll down, and then I can choose from all of these different Smart Mockups. And click to See All if you want to see a big example of them. You can do so many different things. You can do book covers. You can do mock-ups showing this is what I'm going to do is going to be a mock-up that shows this as if it were on a computer screen. You can do clothing. You can do a lot of stuff. Let's go ahead and do this iMac with the transparent background and the soft shadow. You just have to give it a second so that it cleans up. I go like that. And then boom, we've got a nice little thumbnail. Let me show you another one here. So let's do one that is a iPhone mock-up. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a screenshot of my Google Analytics just so we have a picture. So I'll do that. And then I'm going to share that to myself. And then just like before, let's go ahead and upload it. Click on it to add it. So this is an iPhone 13 Pro. It does make a difference. Let's go ahead and let's do one that actually has a little bit of a background. Pretty cool. So that is something that I think is just really awesome. Canva did not do a very good job of mentioning. You use this in a lot of stuff. You use it in ads. You're allowed to use all of this Canva stuff however you want, even commercially. So go have fun with it. It's an awesome feature. Definitely a reason to use Canva as if you needed another reason. It's already amazing. Have fun.